I will show you how to draw a cat running. Now, if you never made animals before, then I can make a video how to draw a cat. But this is a video how to draw a cat running. So, running cats. So start off with a circle lightly here, okay? And a circle right here. Gotta be a bit bigger. Do it lightly so that your drawings don't look dead. Now if it's a bit too much big, it's okay, it's just a base. And then the ramp area. Okay, so this is all. Right, but you gotta look at your guide a bit and make sure you have to fix something so that you can erase that. This is too a little near, so I'm just gonna erase this circle for the head and draw it back again. Wow, my pencil went rolling. That's good. Yes, yes. And now I'm drawing a bit of lines and a tail for the area. Alright, now what you gotta do is draw some lines, okay? Draw some circles and get. Oh, my leg is there. Well, excuse me, Mama Bear. Can you please record for me? Well, Mama Bear is not even doing it. So now I can do the rest later. Bye, guys.